What if I told you that love at first sight could be engineered? In this video, I'll reveal 10 powerful dark psychology tricks that can make someone feel emotionally bonded, attached, and even fall in love with you fast. These aren't love spells or fairy tales. These are real, science-backed tactics used by charmers, seducers, and master manipulators. Use them with caution and ethics. Let's dive in. People love hearing their own name. It activates a unique part of the brain. Use their name often, but naturally. That's a great point, Maya. I'm really glad you're here, Daniel. It makes the conversation personal and intimate, like you're laser-focused on them. Mirror their soul and body language. Want to feel instantly connected to someone? Mirror their gestures, tone, and pace. If they lean in, you lean in. If they smile, you smile. This creates subconscious rapport. They feel like you get them without saying a word. The shared secret, revealing something personal, but not too deep. Encourages emotional disclosure. Say something like, "You know, I usually don't tell people this." This invites them to share back. When people share secrets, emotional intimacy grows, and so does attraction. The accidental touch. A light touch on the arm, back, or shoulder during a laugh or compliment builds subtle chemistry. Touch releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone. Keep it brief, respectful, and playful. It should feel natural, not creepy. The eye contact game. Hold eye contact for 3 to 5 seconds longer than normal, especially when they're speaking. It signals confidence, presence, and desire. Studies show prolonged eye contact increases emotional arousal and romantic interest. The because principle. Want them to say yes to hanging out? Let's grab coffee sometime because I think we'd have an amazing conversation. Adding a reason, even a weak one, doubles your chances. The brain loves justification, even if it's subtle. Scarcity equals desire. Make your time and energy scarce. Don't always be available. When something feels limited, it becomes more valuable. Be warm but mysterious. Let them wonder what you're doing when you're not around. The compliment flip. Don't say, "You're so beautiful." Say, "You have a presence like when you walk in, it changes the room." Give unique, thoughtful compliments that make them feel seen, not just admired. Use emotional labeling. If they seem upset or excited, say, "You seem really excited about that. That must have made you feel frustrated." Naming someone's emotions builds trust and intimacy. It shows you're in tune with their inner world. The Benjamin Franklin effect, bond builder. Ask them for a small favor. Could you help me choose between these 2 outfits? Strangely, when people do something for you, they grow more attached to you. Their brain says, "I must like this person. Why else would I help them?" These 10 dark psychology tricks can spark intense attraction fast. But remember, love built on manipulation won't last unless it becomes real. So use these tactics to build connection, not control. Don't forget to like, comment your favorite trick, and subscribe for more psychological power plays every week.